Welcome, everybody. Today we have Mr. Aditya on the podcast with us. And आज हम बात करेंगे about dating, the misconception about dating. How can someone be attractive? What are the green flags? What are the red flags? And what is the lifestyle that a man is supposed to live in 2026? I think ये topic बहुत ज़्यादा important है. ये इतना ज़्यादा important है कि भाई मैं सुबह उठते ही भाई से podcast पे आ गया. I was like, hop on. I was like, chalo, let's fucking discuss this once and for all. Because I think ये topic discuss करना बहुत important हो चुका है in today's day and age. And a lot of people, especially India में, उनको नहीं आता समझ में. उनको
Hmm.
नहीं आता समझ में and their thinking is pretty messed up. I don't know, it's because of some emotional trauma that they got from their parents. But yeah, I think it's our job to give you the proper knowledge that you want. Think of us like the big bros you never had.
Exactly, man. And
So,
yeah, like all of this do feels like as if I'm on some podcast, but believe me, bro, it's just like a bro to bro conversations to all of you. That's all it is. Okay. So
exactly.
first of all, thank you so much, Tanish, my man. What a fucking Chadley brother I have, man. Look at him. Look at his fucking jawline, Bobby. Have you seen his biceps, bro? This man is jacked as fuck. So yeah, quick fucking
Love
mug
you,
to
brother. Yeah.
quick fucking mog to all of the people who are still trying to make a body. Like, what the fuck, just watch him, he knows what to do, he got the advices, so please pay fucking attention to that.
Yeah, exactly. We have to hit a gym session together, bro.
Yeah,
ये याद
let's
रखना.
the thing is, if
Yeah.
we ever shoot together, I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen. If we ever shoot together, what's gonna happen is we're gonna go record the gym session. Then I'm gonna force you to record something else in the evening when we have two beautiful girls with us and we are like all having a conversations and doing a podcast. At that time, what do you think?
Oh, would be amazing, man. Would be a whole vlog take. बहुत मजा आएगा.
So we're gonna basically
Crazy shit हो जाएगा.
Misho ke clavicular. That's how I would define that. Define that fucking podcast. We're gonna
Wow,
fucking
man.
proceed like
That's
that.
fun. That's fun. All right. All right. You want to say something before we get started? You have
Just,
something in
just,
mind which
just
can I?
jokes apart. Just fucking open your brain for an hour. If you're busy at something, if you're working on something, वो निपटा लो because I'm absolutely gonna drip some bars with him in this upcoming 1 hour about all of the things that you have been brain fogged from past these years consuming content like shit not. ठीक है, we're gonna take you out from this brain fog. All I want all of you to do is just pay attention to the next 50 or I don't know how many time it's gonna take, but we're gonna get to the crux of every single topic about dating, women, life, traveling, whatever may be the concern is. And इस 1 घंटे बाद तुम लाइफ को लेके थोड़ा सा बेटर फील करोगे. That's all.
You heard him. All right. I would also suggest you guys ये देखते देखते आप notes बनाइए because I think अगर आप ये चीज देख रहे हो you should watch it seriously. If you're not watching it seriously, you will be like that
It's not
guy
gonna
जो
work. It's not gonna
बोलते
work.
रहता है कि podcast देखता हूँ मैं book read करता हूँ but what the fuck what else
Exactly.
what nothing improvement नहीं होती. So देख रहे हो तो improve करो, देख रहे हो तो notes बनाओ, अपना time waste मत करो देखने के बाद देखो. So yeah, I think
Perfect.
that's enough for the intro. Let's get started with the
Let's go,
first
man.
question.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay. Oh, call आ गया मेरे को 2 minute. Do not disturb. Yeah. Okay, so Aditya, what do you think is the biggest misconception men have about attraction?
Okay, so it's a very interesting question. I would actually like to break it
Yeah.
down from the starting. So initially, when we get inside dating, it's a very, I would say, visually fucked up concept. हमें ऐसा लगता है, bro, what's happening? I'm talking about an average man. Okay, let's say you're in 9th class or 10th class, you see a very certain amount of men talking to girls. कि भाई उसके पास तो है यार, उसको तो बंदी है यार. What do I have to do to be at that place? So that's how your brain, when it's hitting puberty, starts, right? When you are fucking 16, 17, 18, कि यार उस लड़के पास ना है यार क्लास में, what should I do to fucking become like him? Like we try to figure things out, right? And then we hop onto
Yeah.
this beautiful concept, I don't know which human made, named internet. Okay. So we fucking hop on there, and they're like, stuff's getting discussed that you have to be XYZ to have this type of women, you have to be XYZ to have this type of women. And there is a plethora of knowledge, इतना भंडार है ना, इतनी theories हैं, इतनी conceptualized pills हैं, black pill, red pill, blue pill, right? And आपको इतना भांग भोसड़ा मिलेगा just to realize one simple thing: none of that would have mattered if you didn't actually stepped outside of your fucking house.
So true, bhai.
Right? ठीक है. The
So-
biggest problem with Indian men right now is that they are too fucking stimulated with the theories more than the practical execution. Okay. उनका ऐसा लगता है ना, उनको ना एक certain time और चीज और वो पूरी एक dedication साथ देनी पड़ेगी. All they have done is made every single life goal of them around women, around pussy. That's why they struggle. The
Yeah.
man who's getting them effortlessly barely thinks about it. Right? So you have to
Yeah,
understand one thing.
100%.
Attraction is not that something you would, put your so much work in it. So very serious thing. आपको वो करना पड़ेगा. No. There are pros and cons. There are like advantages and disadvantages. There are leverages and there are not leverages. Every single human being is different. If someone is tall, attractive, he has a leverage. If someone is rich, he has a leverage. If someone has a good physique, he has leverage. Okay. If someone has good dressing sense, he has leverage. So it's all about leverages. The more leverage you have, the more as a whole you can attract women. Okay. But even if you have leverages and you don't step outside of your house, it's all fucking capped potential getting wasted. That's all.
100%, man. I will have to agree with you on that. But because, when I was 16, when I was in like 10th, 11th, I was in the same situation, bro. Like, मैं भी सोचता था कि what the fuck, ये तो मौज कर रहे हैं, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ life में. And I got so obsessed with girls and shit. Like, मेरा ना mental health थोड़ा खराब हो गया था. Then I realized कि यार, instead of chasing, why shouldn't I build a garden, a beautiful garden जहाँ पे लोग आए देखने.
Exactly.
And once I started focusing on myself, once I started like going to the gym, building a good physique, improving my dressing sense, improving the way I speak, improving my confidence, I destroyed all of my bad habits. I noticed a big change, a very big change. I was not that attractive, like बिल्कुल नहीं. But still, I think energy में कोई change आ गया. People started talking to me more. I was an introvert. I was like a loner.
Lean is the law,
लोग मेरे पे आके
Babe.
बात करने लगे.
I'll tell you one thing.
हाँ.
I'm so sorry to interrupt you. See, this man
No
built
worries,
his leverages. Okay. This man built his leverage on social media. This man built his leverage on his physique. This man built his leverage on the way he's talking. This man built his leverage in every single thing. I'm pretty sure there are so many people in comment section of yours sometimes who say, "Bhaiya, आप तो 6 फुट के हो, you won't get it." ठीक है. You understand? We have these type of people as well. But the thing that those people don't understand is what the fuck are you getting improved over after knowing this fact that he's 6 foot? Every one of us
Exactly.
have different fucking cards. God blessed him with a height. It's his advantage. You can either come and cry about it or accept it how the game works. Okay. There are men out there, when I'm talking about that. Have you seen that guy from Game of Thrones who's like a fucking disabled guy?
I think I've not seen Game of Thrones. I know
I
it's a big
forgot.
thing, but
I forgot his name. He's a dwarf in that series.
हाँ समझ गया मैं.
That
देखा हुआ है.
masculine voice man. Have you that 4'9"
Yeah,
inch man?
yeah.
You can't even fathom the
Yeah,
amount
I
of
think-
fame, money, and women he can have. Right. So
Yeah,
how would you define the theoretical loss to him? He would laugh on you with his fucking millions of dollars of paychecks. He's gonna laugh on you with that. Right. So instead of focusing कि इस बंदे पास ये था इसीलिए हो गया, keep your focus on yourself कि मेरे पास क्या क्या and how can I build my leverage. A 5'9" man is better with the physique. A 5'7" man is better with the physique and rich. Okay. So instead of arguing over these theories on internet, we should actually push each other up कि ना हमारी baselines अलग है, लेकिन bro we can get to a leverage because मुझे इतना पता है इस देश में ना average कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है. आप थोड़ा सा भी अपने ऊपर काम करते हो ना, तुम एक वो स्वीट स्पॉट के ऊपर लैंड कर जाओगे जहां पीपल आर लाइक दैट हैलो इफेक्ट इज वर्किंग अराउंड यू. You know, people want to be with you. If you are lean, man, people get impressed seeing your physique. It's not that difficult. The crux of life is not that difficult. You just have to eat good, look good, earn good, like dress good, and if you start living like that, you would attract women and men. You're talking about women, bro. You'll have gay interactions in your life. All you have to do is just fucking work for it. Okay, you don't have to be a Terra Chad Ritik Roshan. The average of this
And
country
you
is
know, the
very
thing
fucked.
is, there is no competition as well. Competition बहुत कम है इंडिया में, मैंने नोटिस किया है. Like दिल्ली जहाँ पे मैं रहता हूँ, वहाँ पे competition थोड़ा बढ़ चुका है. But when I went to Mumbai, no competition at all. You will stand out. You will literally stand out. So you just need to improve yourself even a little bit. ज्यादा करने की improve ज्यादा जरूरत भी नहीं है. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि ज्यादा improve मत करो, थोड़ा सा improve करो, then just settle. No, I'm just saying कि if you start improving yourself, you will start to see initial results. And I think that's the biggest motivation you can have. Not कि
Exactly.
मेरे को ये मिल जाएगा वो मिल जाएगा, but you will start to see changes in your life. You people will start approaching you, people will start complimenting you. And ये दिमाग से माइंडसेट हटा लो कि मेरी बस की नहीं है, मेरे को लुक्स मैक्सिंग करनी पड़ेगी जस्ट टू गेट सम पुसी. नहीं, आई हैव सीन
Exactly.
अगली एज गाइस गेट विद 10 on 10s, एंड मैं कोने में बैठ के दुखी
Okay, a lot,
with
a
with
lot,
a
you
drink
know.
on my hand.
Exactly. I'll tell you one thing. I would love to talk about a beautiful example of this. So there was this one model. She took part in L'Oreal's Fashion Week. Okay, I met her. Her name, I won't say her name. Fuck that. So what happened
Hmm.
was, I was with her into one of my like very crazy Jart friends invitation. Okay. So that guy had a Porsche. Okay, so she was head and heels in love with me. Okay. The man who had a Porsche, who he was 5'6" proper fat, had a gold chain, white shirt, blue jeans, sport shoes. Right. So he
Lala.
was so he was like talking to her, and I'm like, I'm the pinnacle of English there. I'm talking to her like, what's up, babe? How are you? Have a fucking glass of wine. Here's the cars, man. And how you feeling? Like I'm turning around, blah 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 blah, and we end up sleeping together afterwards. A week
Hmm.
later, I see a snap of that guy with the same chick I fucking invited in his Porsche.
Money
So
talks.
exactly. Like you fucking build
Money
your
walks.
leverage. You have zero idea what money as in whole, how crazy power it has. But don't be a retard with it. You have to be a G with it. आपको ना यूं नहीं करना कि मेरे पास पैसे हैं इसीलिए तुम आओ. आपको यूं करना है कि मैं ऐसा जीवन जीता हूं. आपको पार्ट बनना है तो आओ. I'm not gonna be coming and extensively like spending on you. No. I'm
Hmm.
living this life. If you want to be a part of that, then come and join. That's called being a good rich. There are two ways of becoming rich. Firstly, you're good rich. Secondly, you're a dumb rich. When you're dumb rich, you spend on women to have sex. When you're good rich, you live so good, women want to be a part of you. Kima Wai line basically in
Hmm.
English.
I do agree, man. If you have an interesting life, everybody wants to be a part of your life. Just have
100%
an
man.
interesting. Exactly. All right. Next question. Can someone become attractive, or is it mostly genetics?
I think
Hmm.
somewhere both. Because मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना, for you to actually understand your genetic potential, you have to work. ठीक है? Because you don't know what your face is capable of unless you haven't seen how it feels like muscular or lean. ठीक है? You don't know how your
Hmm.
hormones would be when you are muscular and lean. When you have muscles on you, you hormonally feel good. When you mentally feel good, you fucking attract good people in your life. You would want to talk to good people. You would
Right.
want to have better experiences in your life. That's why I say please have nutritions on point in your life. ठीक है? A lot of what goes inside a lot of teenagers' head is because of their hormonally fucked up as well. ठीक है? और ना वो ये चीज़ नोटिस नहीं
Right.
करते बिकॉज उनका ऐसा लगता है कि दे ऑल नो दिस प्रैक्टिकल थियरीज एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट बट दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि तुमने अपना एक स्मॉल बबल अपने दिमाग में बना रखा है एंड यू आर डाइंग विद इन. ठीक है? It's all
Hmm.
in your fucking head in reality. Believe me, a lot of things are so much noise that you give so much importance over that is basically wasting your self potential, confidence, self esteem, and whatnot. Okay, so I'll just advise you one thing. अगर आप किसी भी जेनेटिक स्टैंड पॉइंट पे बिलोंग करते हो, स्टेप बैक एंड रियलाइज वन थिंग कि कम से कम भैंचो यू नॉट डिसेबल्ड भाई. ठीक है? कम से कम यू हैव द एबिलिटी टू स्पीक. कम से कम यू हैव द एबिलिटी टू सी थिंग्स, feel things, right? You're alive. Step back and realize one thing: you're witnessing this fucking world named, I don't know, Earth. यू फील मी? आप इस चीज को जी पा रहे हो, आपको मौका मिला है इस दुनिया में सांस लेने का, राइट? सो टेक अ स्टेप बैक फ्रॉम
Right.
दैट एंड यू आर सो लॉस्ट इन द थियरीज कि तुम्हें लाइफ कर्स फील होने लगी जस्ट बिकॉज यू कांट गेट अ पुसी ऑफ योर चॉइस एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ लाइफ. व्हाट द फक इज रॉन्ग विद यू, राइट? सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि सबकी जेनेटिक पोटेंशियल अलग होता है. कुछ आर ब्लेस्ड विद इट जस्ट लाइक जनरेशन वेल्थ एग्जिस्ट, कुछ वी हैव टू मेक इट. इट्स एज इन प्लेन एंड सिंपल एज दैट. इफ यू डोंट हैव एनीथिंग यू
Right.
चेज दैट टू गेट इट. एंड बिलीव मी, अगर आप अपने पर्पस को, अपनी बॉडी को, अच्छे डाइट को, अपने काम धंधे को और अपने आप की ग्रोथ को चेज करोगे ना, आपको हमेशा रिटर्न्स मिलेंगे. आप डे 1 से बेटर डे 100 पे हर बार पाओगे. कभी भी ट्राई कर लेना किसी भी फेज के लाइफ में, कभी भी, ठीक है?
100%.
एंड व्हेन यू सी
मेरे को
दोस,
लगता है कि यार, yeah, go on.
नो 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 टॉक,
Go on, बोलिए.
I'll continue. बोलो बोलो बोलो. I don't want to interrupt your thought
Okay.
as well.
हाँ,
Speak up.
no, I was just thinking कि, internet has fucked up a lot of Indian men, especially Indian men.
Hmm.
Looks maxing. I hate this niche. I completely hate this niche. I despise this niche. Not because कि ये बेकार advice बताते हैं, because ये mindset खराब करते हैं. I think Indians का especially. Because if they think कि अगर आपकी genetics नहीं है, you're cooked. Like pure black pilled. You have to do this to look good. You have to do that to look good. I have never indulged in black pill looks maxing wala content because I think it's absurd. It's going to fuck you up mentally. I think all 90% of the looks maxing can be done if you improve your physique, if you improve your testosterone, if you improve your, I think, diet and the way you speak, the way you present yourself, the way you dress. I think 90% of the looks maxing
Yeah,
would
yeah,
be
yeah,
done
yeah.
like that.
I
The
kind
way
of,
you click pictures, yeah.
yeah,
Other
I
than
kind
that,
of, yeah,
go on.
yeah. Bro, I think I kind of agree with that shit. I'll tell you one thing. I think Black Pill makes you aware about some things. Definitely, I do agree. It makes you aware about something that there's a certain type of demands from the certain type of tier of women from this city, blah, 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 blah. But there is a very
Yeah.
extremist side of that where a man makes every single thing about his life about women. Okay? And that's the part where they start using hammers on their face. They start doing these extremist ideas. Like, for example, they would get their surgeries done for what? So then you can sleep with a woman who's not going to be wife of your children. Like, if you understand the crux of it, what's the crux of high body count? Okay, मैं आपका ये भ्रम भी तोड़ता हूँ, ठीक है? The thing is that you just feel like you are missing out in life because you're not having sex as a man. All of us, we are at that stage of lives. It like at a certain time, हमें लगता है बैंचो we should date the dating market. We should fucking be the dawn of that, top of that. We wanna be that fucking Siddharth Malhotra from Student of the Year too. We wanna feel that vibe, man. ठीक है? I do get it, but once you are done sleeping with a good amount of women, you know what you will get? You would understand you are not able to love any single one of them, irrespective of how pretty she is, irrespective of how good she is in talking, irrespective of good of a person she is. Because why? It's because you are lost in this constant chase of proving your ego you are a man. You're fucking lost in that chase that you are a man. You are proving your friends, see how hot of a woman I was with. You are proving your ex-girlfriend, look how good I can be. Who are you trying to? You are trying to prove that fake ego that is just destroying your love capabilities. Because जहाँ प्यार होता है वहाँ पे ego नहीं होती. तुम लाइफ की
That's so
सबसे
true, man.
तुम लाइफ की सबसे ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग को मिस आउट कर दोगे जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर लिविंग सो मच इन दिस इंटरनेट थ्योरीज बैंगिंग बिकॉज इट्स हॉट. It's fucking good to look at on the screen. It's a good fucking thing. It gives you a thrill of teenage. Like, yeah, I wanna be that. But once you get mature, adult, थोड़े से बड़े होते हो आप एक चीज रियलाइज करते हो that was nothing but an experience so that I can just come to back to basics and I was having a family. Believe me. आप अपने 100वें बॉडी काउंट पे ना सिर्फ यू सोच रहे हो बहन चो तेरी बीवी प्यार कहाँ मिलेगा. ये दिक्कत बनेगी भाई आपके साथ, ठीक है? एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट वाज जस्ट गोइंग टू टू प्रूव योर ईगो दैट यू कैन डू इट, यू कैन स्लीप विद हूएवर यू वांट. कोई एंड नहीं है इस चीज का बाबा. देयर इज नेक्स्ट हॉट वुमन, देयर इज गोना बी नेक्स्ट पे चेक. ओके, करोड़ के बाद 10 का होगा, फिर 100 का होगा, 200 का होगा, 300 का होगा. ऐसे तो हम अपनी लाइफ में कभी चेज को एंड ही नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो चेज एंड कहाँ पे होता है? वेयर यू हैव मीनिंगफुल रिलेशनशिप्स एंड हैप्पी मोमेंट्स इन योर लाइफ. चेज एंड मेरा पता है कहाँ पे होगा, जब 2 महीने मैंने और तनिष ने भाई काम करा, कमाया, हम साथ में बैठ के जॉइंट पी के हंस रहे हैं. दैट्स द चेज ऑफ दोस 2 months fucking वर्क. ठीक है, वो चेज रहा. just fucking kidding.
would be an amazing fucking day, bro.
Yeah, exactly. That's the fucking chase of our work. ठीक है, this is the way we are wasting our life, भाई. ठीक है, you remember Samir Raina said, what a beautiful concept, भाई. You are wasting your life. The days you fucking live are with those days you worked hard for, ताकि उनकी मुस्कान पे कोई दिक्कत ना आए. मैंने इतना मेक श्योर कर दिया. ठीक है, तो हम उसके लिए काम
Yeah.
करते हैं. वो काम करते टाइम हम जीते थोड़ी है बाबे. We are fucking slaving away, wasting our time, giving to this fucking mediocre matrix, we fucking say. The system. We are giving our life to the system just to prove that we are something in the society. A cat lives a much simpler and easier life as compared to a complex human. Because
I
it
do agree, man. And
yeah, because a cat barely just exists. We are so fucking complicated that we are not surviving biologically here at this time. We are victim of our own
I
intellect
think,
and intelligence, man, at this point of life.
yeah, I think, you know, मेरा अब recently Instagram account ban हुआ था, and I was pretty sad about that. I tried a lot of shit, कुछ काम नहीं आया. Even मैंने समय रैना का podcast भी देखा क्योंकि उसका भी show ban हुआ था, and I was like कि maybe I can relate with him. One thing I realized कि life got a lot more peaceful. Like मेरे को पता है थोड़ी बीटी हुई 4-5 दिन, उसके बाद I just ignored it and I moved on. I started to do new things and it was pretty peaceful. I मैंने इंटरनेट को थोड़ा टाइम कम दिया. Started going outside, not even doing parties, just going outside, traveling, driving, लंबी राइड्स पे निकल गया. And I think I needed that क्योंकि I was so indulged in the internet कि ये करना है, like the pursuit of becoming the best version of yourself is also a very big trap. And उसकी वजह से you get into this constant mode of always improving, always improving, always improving. जब भी मैं बैठा हूँ on my workspace, I'll just watch a video, I'll just do this, I'll just do that. I think fatigue नाम की चीज होती है. And once you reach a certain point, you will feel decision making fatigue, you will feel work fatigue. And that will reflect on your social life, that will also reflect on your dating life because you will feel fucked up, you will feel always in the flight or fight mode. हमेशा you'll be in that position. I think ये concept जो मैं बता रहा हूँ, I think a lot of people won't be able to understand, but and जब वो experience करेंगे तब समझ आ जाएगा. But जिन लोगों ने experience नहीं किया है वो लोग थोड़ा समझ नहीं पाएंगे. If you have not experienced it, bro, you just have to put your head down and work. There is no way कि भाई मैं इतना काम नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि I don't want to become fatigued. I don't want to reach burnout. I think burnout is a very good feeling. I think you should reach burnout. But if you're at a point in life जहाँ पे तुम इतना ज्यादा काम कर रहे हो कि तुम्हें भाई decision fatigue आ रहा है, तुम्हें तुम्हारी social life affect हो रही है, तुम्हारी dating life affect हो रही है, I think you should take some time off and relax, like do some relaxation. अपने दिमाग को ठंडा रखो. Get off the internet. Stop watching red pill, black pill, blue pill, जो भी है. Stop watching the random podcast. Stop watching stupid shit on the internet. Stop watching how to attract this, how to text these girls, how to become the life of the party, something like that. ऐसे types की videos मत देखो please. The
Instead,
only way
just
of gaining experience,
is by
yeah, just go
actually
out
having
and
experience. Yeah.
fucking experience. Yeah. Go
Yeah.
out, make some mistake, get embarrassed, then you will learn. The best way of learning is going out of the house and making mistakes. Full stop.
110 fucking percent, man. I'll tell you one thing. You know, when you are working on something that's actually making sense in your head, ki, okay, I'm gonna be getting results from this. The path, by
Right.
I'm the type of man who takes, live full moments and my work together. ठीक है, मैं कभी भी ऐसा नहीं करता कि यार आई एम लाइक लॉक्ड इन लाइक अ गीक फॉर 1 year and then taking 2 days off and then again locked. No, I'm a man who has a goal and a reward system, right? Okay, what's the date today? It's around 8 July. Okay, it's 11:47. So my next goal would be that by 20th of July I have to earn 5 lakhs. If I'm fucking done doing that, I'm gonna take a 2-day off. I'll be fucking in Himachal, man, with a fucking I don't know what. ठीक है, I'm gonna have fun in my life, right? You have to be a hybrid fucking athlete. Thanks, Rati, for that.
Yeah.
Hybrid athlete. That was a good term you gave. ठीक है. So
Hybrid at least a good thing, man. It's scope
yeah.
for us
Yeah, exactly.
motherfuckers who want
Babbe,
to
I'll
have
tell you
fun.
one thing. See, I have zero intent of hiding anything. I'll tell you one thing. What me and my colleagues do, we all fucking earn like around 5L a month, 6L a month. We are all living good. We have a fucking setup here. We go travel. We fucking chill like no one, man. And we work. And we work half the time as the majority. And we earn 10x more than the majority as well. ठीक है. So you just have to smart work and understand life is not that complicated. बाबे, आप अपने बाप की तरह सीरियस क्यों हो रहे हो? आपके पास इंटरनेट है भाई, आप ऐसा पैसा कमा सकते हो, आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा अभी इतनी सहूलियत के साथ. ठीक है. आपको फिजिकली काम करने की इतनी दिहाड़ी तोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है कि आप इतना टेंस हो रहे हो. आई एम सीइंग टीनेजर्स 18-year-old fucking working for internships, going to corporate sectors, getting into this drug
Oh,
culture,
God.
getting into this drug culture of that, smoking cigarettes. You know, the best interesting thing is to, you know, कि वो नई मैडम आई है हमारे कॉर्पोरेट में, उनसे बात कैसे करेंगे. Capped in a 30,000 salary from last 3 years, and they're like, Mama, please pack my lunch. I have to go to the job, and my mom is, ये मेरा बेटा job कर रहा है. And that's how they are fucking living in mediocrity, and all of them are happy about it and stressed and fucked. Okay.
Oh my
And they have,
God, I can't live like that.
right, they have zero idea about it, bhai, and it fucking, I don't know, man, how people live so capped. You don't have to. ठीक है, काम करो,
Oh,
reward और goal system
yeah.
बनाओ. Every single time you fucking achieve a reward, sorry, achieve a goal, go to do whatever the fuck you want to, man. I'll be very honest with you. If you gave yourself a word और उसके बाद तुमने उस चीज को पाया है ना, तुम मर्द इनफ हो गलत डिसीजन लेने के उस टाइम पे. ठीक है, तुम चुतियापे करके कुछ शराब नहीं पी रहे, तुम चुतियापे करके जॉइंट नहीं पी रहे, तुमने बहन चो 20 पेटी कही थी अपने आप को मैं कमा के रखूंगा, मैंने कमाया फिर चसाया जोटा बहन चो तेरी माँ की चूत, मैं कुछ करूं अपनी लाइफ में. ठीक है, डू व्हाटएवर द फक यू वांट टू डू इन योर लाइफ, बट फॉर दैट यू हैव टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ and the society you are something. Then only your words matter. Honey Singh drinking alcohol matters because he's fucking Honey Singh. A guy who's drunk on a fucking street and no one cares about him, he's a retard with an alcohol. ठीक है. But someone who is something, who's having alcohol is someone, then the alcohol is fancy, then it's on worth to come in, you know, in front of screens. So that's how this fucking works. Okay. तुम्हें अगर लाइफ अच्छी लगती है ना जीनी, जियो भाई, जैसे जीना वैसे जियो, पर कमानी पड़ेगी वो चीज. अगर बर्बादी के तरीके से जियोगे तो उतने ही जोर से थप्पड़ भी मारेगी. ठीक है. सो एवरीथिंग हैव्स टू बी बैलेंस्ड इन लाइफ. दैट्स व्हाई आई से बिकम अ हाइब्रिड एथलीट. दैट्स ऑल. मैनेज एवरीथिंग. फन, finances,
100%.
expenses. ठीक है. Have an aggressive life. You're a young man. Don't be a fucking dorky 40-year-old who's always locked in. Like 5 से 8 जॉब, 8 से 10 ये, 11 से ये. No, don't do that. Have fun in your life as well. Travel, have stories, have experiences, right? Meet different people, different ethnicity of people, meet a lot of cultures. You have to learn a lot. You will eventually realize that attraction also becomes easier if you're more experienced in life. You can attract a lot of people. You can talk to them in the ways they want to. ठीक है. यू विल ग्रैब अ कंट्रोल ऑफ साइकोलॉजिकल कंट्रोल, कि मेरे को तुम्हें पता चल जाए किस चीज से कोई सा इंसान के कौन से इमोशंस ट्रिगर होते हैं. मेक्स देम हैप्पी. यू विल अंडरस्टैंड सेलिंग, इंप्रेसिंग वुमेन, मैनिपुलेशन, साइकोलॉजी, व्हाट नॉट. ठीक है. और अब सोचो आप कॉर्पोरेट में 12 घंटे काम करके क्या गांड मरा रहे हो यार. देयर इज सो मेनी गुड थिंग्स यू कैन डू इन योर लाइफ इंस्टेड. या दैट्स ऑल अबाउट इट.
What is something women notices within the first 10 seconds of meeting you? I know that's a bit of a curveball of a question, but yeah, deal with that then.
Okay, I'll tell you one thing. The very first, obviously, the way you look, your height, the way you dress, and which car you came in. Okay, so
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
if
that's pretty obvious. But
see, you can have
when you talk to them,
देखो, I'll tell you one thing. So, like, when you talk to them, like, I have to be that specific as well.
right? When
Okay,
you
okay,
talk
okay.
to them,
Okay,
when
okay.
first impressions.
Okay, I got you. I had to talk about these things because this is also a part of the first impression. I'm going to talk about that for
100%.
afterwards.
100%.
So,
Right.
okay, let's say we can all dress good. Believe me, we can all dress good. We can all have a good haircut. That's the bare minimum we can do. Okay. After that,
Mhm.
we can put on muscles. Okay. That makes our fashion much better. If you're a muscular guy, that makes the clothes pull much better. Right. So 3 things we checked. We can check. We can put in check. Fourth thing, we can make sure it's either a Alto or a fucking Pagani. I don't know. You can make sure that, right? So there is no end to crazy whips. So it means you should have a financial goal in your life as well. That doesn't require pussy, but your work, but your hard work. That is not genetical. ठीक है, you have to
Right.
storm ideas, put yourself out there in hard situations in business, up downs, lows, highs, everything. ठीक है. Now,
Right.
once you are more leverages you have, like I said, dating is a leverage game. Let's say if you're a tall, good looking, okay, and let's say, and you just, even if you pulled up in a cab and you're tall, good looking with good communication skills, she would ball. Now, second case scenario, you're not tall, okay, you're just good looking, okay, you go good looking, you are rich, you came in a car, okay, she would still again fall, and you just made up for the lack of height. Okay, you're not good looking, okay, it's fine, you're not good looking and you're not tall either, okay, I would come in a fucking Land Cruiser then, fuck that shit, I'd have 3 fucking bodyguards around me. Right. So now you made up about your height and that too, but you're with good fashion sense and you have a crazy physique, you have good whips and you have good communication skills. Now you're better than a man who's better than these genetic potential, but he don't have a Land Cruiser, but he don't talk like you. There's so many skills you can improve so that you can become better than the average. And the second you're better than the average, you would have women, man. That's easy. It's that
But
easy.
brother, what is the thing that women notices when they look at you? The first 10 seconds.
Babe, I explained every single thing. Women are very picky. They notice everything.
Yeah, that's true. The
They,
way you look,
they
the way
notice.
जहाँ से आए हो तुम.
Yeah.
Women are fucking, they are fucking brutal, यार. बहुत
Yeah.
brutal है.
Exact. But you know what? One thing, I'll tell you one
The,
thing. Men are more brutal. Men who are at powers. Men who are elites. Men who have given their life to this fucking attempt of becoming great. They are more brutal. They don't sit and explain. They exist. They command, and
yeah,
all of the women listen. Okay. So we are more brutal.
100%.
I'll tell you why men are more brutal. How are they more brutal? A man won't give a fuck about a personality if the woman is not hot. Believe me. Believe me. Believe me. I would not care a fucking single percent about a fat woman. Like, so that's why
Oh, dude.
that's why I
That's
always
so true.
say that's why I always say if women are having standards, what's stopping you from having them as well?
Oh,
Fucking make
100%, man.
and you
I
know,
see very
Bobbe,
desperate Indian men, यार भाई
exactly
इतने
they,
पागल हो चुके
you
हैं
know, I wish I never blow up. Like the banks of mine always say Aditya blow up, but on a bigger spectrum, when I think about this, I want to keep my classy people like down there only, because I know mediocre and masses of this country are never going to get fixed, no matter how hard you try. ठीक है, no matter how hard you try, they will fucking live in their own bubble for the rest of their life and they will die with this mediocrity. ठीक है.
100%.
Bhai, and you know the crazy
100%.
part is men don't have standards. I have seen so many chads. I have seen so many chads in my life hanging around with questionable women. You were saying, right? There are questionable men hanging around with hot women. I have seen questionable
Yeah,
women hanging around with hot men as well. You know why? Because
I've seen this as well.
men don't have standards in most of the times. They just have this mentality. अरे क्या हो गया? वो तो कर ही लेंगे. क्या हो गया? उसमें तो क्या ही दिक्कत है? उसमें तो क्या ही दिक्कत है? प्यार थोड़ी कर रहा हूँ मैं उसे. ठीक है. And when they put this persona up every single time a woman who's 4 out of 10 meets a man, ठीक है. अब she, according to her, she slept with the peak she could have got. Obviously, bro, plus full self-esteem for her, right? She got what she
ego
wanted.
part.
भाई she got better than what she deserved. ठीक है. उसके बाद प्लस जो सेल्फ एस्टीम में, एंड दैट हैपेंस वेरी रेपिटेटिवली. दैट्स व्हाई एवरी सिंगल वुमन हुज एवरेज हैज अ मच मोर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड हाई सेल्फ एस्टीम रेट एज कंपेयर टू अ मैन, because all of these herds they only sleep with the top few percents. ठीक है.
Right.
And those few
Right,
percent
right.
are always sleeping around most of the times. Those 10-20% pool, they're always sleeping around. So they increase the egos of those women and then they start treating shit to the men who are mediocre and are not of that level according to her. Because she's like, hey, babe, I was with a man who was 6'2" and had a 1 lakh subscriber and had jawline yesterday. What the fuck do? You are just BSc second year. Get the fuck away from me. Right?
Yeah. The only way is to improve yourself, man. That's the only
Exactly.
thing.
So उनके ना
Get
ego,
yourself into the top tier.
हाँ अब देखो अब ये ब्लैक पिलर कंसेप्ट औरतों में तो एग्जिस्ट करता ही नहीं, बिकॉज एवरी सिंगल वुमन हुज लाइक 4 आउट ऑफ 10 शी फील्स लाइक ए स्टेसी बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑप्शन शी इज गेटिंग। तो मैं तो बोलूंगा ही ना यार, ये आदमियों का ही चुतियाप है भाई, तुम्हारे स्टैंडर्ड फक्ड अप है, दैट्स व्हाई डेटिंग इज हार्डर फॉर एवरेज मैन राइट नाउ। ठीक है।
100%. Do agree with you.
ठीक है
If
सो
you're an average man, I don't think you should focus on dating. I think you should focus on just ruthlessly improving yourself, every aspect of your life.
yeah, and
You should not think,
leave your mediocre circle first, बहनचोद, leave that shit babbe।
oh bhai, you know, Aditya bro, like I've struggled with this for a while, and finally I've done it. Since my college has ended now, मेरा पूरा circle टूट फूट गया है, and I don't mind it actually. For a while, I was like, yo, fuck, I will get lonely, ये सब हो जाएगा. But then I realized कि damn यार ये तो चूतिए लोग थे. And I was just hanging out and I was just doing my own mindset, my own motivation, my own drive to work. And I think having a very good circle would be the thing that takes you to a new level of
100%,
life, जहाँ पे आप
100% man।
नई नई चीजें डिस्कवर करोगे, नए नए कॉन्सेप्ट डिस्कवर करोगे. And I think you would learn more about yourself, more about how the world works. If you just go out, try to speak to new people, and ये अपने खटिया से स्कूल के दोस्तों, कॉलेज के दोस्तों वाले लोगों से बातें कम करोगे, and you would just go out. If they're good people, 100% man, stay with them. If they're loyal, if they're trustworthy, if they're actually doing something in their life, they're motivating you to do some shit. 100% stay with them. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But I think you should expand. As a man, expand is important. Expanding is important.
100%,
Okay.
100% मैन, 100%। सो आई होप थोड़ा सा क्रक्स तुम्हें समझ में आया होगा अभी तक जो हमने बातें करी है उसका। एंड वी टॉक्ड अबाउट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स ब्रो, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है हमने एज एन होल लाइफ डिस्कस कर ली कहीं ना कहीं। ठीक है कि ना, एक वो नहीं होता कि यार हर एक थॉट ही बता दिया जो एक आदमी सोचता होगा एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ लाइफ एंड गिव अ सॉल्यूशन आउट ऑफ इट। सो इट्स अ वेरी क्रेजी थिंग, आई लाइक दैट।
100% will see. मेरे को ना, I do like talking to you because whenever I talk to you, I feel like कि I'm just talking to a bro.
या
भाई से बात कर
एग्जैक्टली,
रहा हूँ.
एग्जैक्टली मैन।
I don't know,
ब्रो
no
ब्रदर।
fucking filters, no anything. It's just fucking raw, and I love it. I honestly love it.
यार पता है मेरे को ना सबसे
And
बेस्ट ये लगता है ना कि आप ना मतलब थोड़े से ना नो फिल्टर्ड रह एडवाइस देते हो ना यार, यू कनेक्ट टू मोर पीपल, लाइक यू कनेक्ट टू द हार्ट, यू कनेक्ट टू
yeah,
द डेप्थ्स ऑफ पीपल एंड देन यू कैन क्वांटिफाई द प्रॉब्लम एंड देन गिव अ सॉल्यूशन। बट इफ यू ट्राई टू बिकम
yeah,
लाइक
yeah.
गुड ऑन स्क्रीन, ठीक है, जैसे कि मैं बोलता हूँ भाई, लाइक आई ओपनली सेड आई हैव बीन इनटू दिस हुकअप कल्चर, आई हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ शिट, गॉट इनटू ड्रग्स, अ लॉट ऑफ, आई एम ओपन अबाउट एवरीथिंग, दैट्स व्हाई पीपल रिलेट मोर टू मी, right? Because they
Hmm.
don't know that I'm fucking honest about a lot of bad things about my life as well. ठीक है, I'm not here just to gonna
Hmm.
show you rev my defender, rev my fucking Z4. No bro, I'm gonna show you what happened, what went into the gutter at times as well. ठीक है, I'm gonna show you every
Hmm.
single that of a thing, and that's why people are like, they do understand the crux of life, that okay, it's really not that hard, it's really just in the head, all we have to do just work to become better। ये ages से रहा है crux of life for a man, just work and be better and be applauded and then die with some pride। that's your
Right.
life, that's
And
your
guys,
life।
it's not scripted at all. ये पूरा raw चल रहा है. कोई scripting विप्टिंग नहीं की है. ये It's just called me in the morning. It was like आजा, and I was like चलो. So
uh,
yeah, I think you
exactly,
should keep that in mind.
exactly, and you know what,
Yeah.
I'll just if I can put a screenshot, I would do that as well। My message was, Babbe, let's do a podcast। So his reply was, chalo ji kab, मतलब आप बताओ, whenever you want, I can do it right now। ठीक है, it's like I'm down for it too, but I'm not like really prepared for it। I'm like, that's the fun part, we're just gonna talk about dating, mutual discussion, you just ask me questions, I give you an upper hand, we both take each other's very flawlessly, and we're gonna discuss and make sure we put out a banger on internet, and that's what we're gonna do। So all of the people who are listening to me right now, I'm pretty sure तुम लोगों को ना अभी 40 मिनट में बहुत सब कुछ सही समझ में आ गया होगा, and I think it's enough for the first part। अभी के लिए I think it's enough for the first part। A 40 minutes
I think it is.
crisp discussion is enough for the first part। If this
40 मिनट हो गए?
podcast, yeah, I think it's 40 minutes, I think it's
Wow.
40 minutes, I didn't know it was 40 minutes, man।
Nice.
There's a girl coming to this place right now। Okay. Boys, I'm also
Now,
figuring
bro, you
out.
should get ready.
I'm also figuring out my love life like you guys. Okay, I'm into the same trap as well. But my question is, I'm just letting you guys know there is no end to this misery. So I'm trying to find my girl. Okay, Let me find my girl. Let me be miserable and find love, Babbe. This generation is so fucking fucked. I have to test every single thing.
That's how you live, man. That's how you live. That's how you discover shit. We are. How old are you? 22, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. अभी कहाँ कुछ एज ही नहीं हुई है, bro. अभी तो बहुत कुछ सीखना है, बहुत कुछ.
अभी
And
तो
honestly, the level that you're at 22, it's amazing. It's genuinely amazing. And I think आगे बढ़ते वक्त आप बहुत चीजें सीखोगे and you
जो
would
जो सीखते
go
जाएंगे बाबे
ahead.
वो तेरे साथ बना के वीडियो अपलोड कर देंगे एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना बी लाइक दिस व्हाटएवर आई
Man,
लर्न
let's
फ्रॉम
go.
माय पेन आई विल मेक श्योर समवन एल्स डोंट हैव टू गो थ्रू इट दैट्स माय क्रक्स ऑफ दिस ऑनलाइन कंटेंट क्रिएशन जर्नी ठीक है सो दैट्स जस्ट इट फॉर दिस
Powerful.
podcast guys thank you so much for joining if this podcast gets I think 10K likes. Okay, I know it's a very big number for a lot of people, for a lot
10K.
of YouTubers, but I'm gonna be like that. If this podcast gets 10K likes, me and TK, we would shoot a proper vlog in my Z4 in an villa with two women with proper two cameras, and I'm gonna tell you how to rizz women up. So if we get 10K fucking likes on this, we're gonna do like that. So that's all, boys. We're gonna see you in the next podcast, and thank you so much for inviting me, TK, on this. Love
Thank
this
you
convo
so
with you,
much
man.
for coming, man. Thank you so much for coming. And
Yeah,
I hope guys video देख के कुछ value मिली आप लोगों को. I hope you were noting shit down, not just watching it. And
exactly.
yeah, as Aditya said, 10K likes.
See
That's
you,
what we want
see,
now.
see you with see you with two Stacy's, Babe. Let's go. Let me see you in that video. So complete that fucking like goal, boys. I'm gonna see you until then. Peace, Danico. Take care.